Hello everyone, today's lesson is lesson 97, multiplying a number by a multiple of 10, 100, and 1000. So our multiples of 10 are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, and etc. Okay? The multiples of 100 are 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, up to like 1200 or 1200 and farther. Okay, multiples of 1000 are 1000, 2000, 3000, etc. So we're going to start off by multiplying 30 times 50. So we're going to first do this using mental computation. So I know that 30 is 3 groups of 10, and 50 is 5 groups of 10. So 30 is the same as 3 times 10 times 5 times 10. Okay? So just like I can add numbers in any order, I can multiply numbers in any order. So I can do 3 times 5 and 10 times 10. So 3 times 5 is 15, and 10 times 10 is 100. So I have 15 groups of 100, and that equals 1,500, or 1,500. Okay. So, what do you notice about the number of zeros in my problem and the number of zeros in the answer? Well, if you look, I have 2 zeros in my problem, or up here as well, 2 zeros in my problem, and there are 2 zeros in the answer. Okay? So, let's multiply. So 15 times 100 was the 1,500. Okay? So what about 70 times 90? Well, I know that 70 is the same as 7 times 10, and 90 is the same as 9 times 10. So I can again multiply these in any order. So I can do 7 times 9 and 10 times 10. 7 times 9 is 63, and 10 times 10 is 100. So I have 63 groups of 100, which is 6,300. Or we would say 6,300. Okay, so there's a faster way we can find the answer here. If you notice, the number of zeros, again, in my problem is 2, and the number of zeros in my answer is 2. Okay, so we can find these answers quickly by multiplying the digits at the beginning of each number and adding the total number of zeros to the right of the answer. Okay, so here I have, so let's start with 70 times 90 again. So with this trick, I would do 7 times 9, which is 63. Then I would add however many zeros there are in the number. In this case, there are 2 zeros, so I would add 2 zeros to it. So I got 6,300, which is the same as I got before. So let's try 200 times 400. So I would do 2 times 4, which is 8, and then I have 1, 2, 3 zeros. So I'd write down 3 zeros. So 220 times 400 is 8,000. The number 8 with 3 zeros after it. Okay, what about 90 times 400? So first we're going to multiply 9 times 4, which is 36, and then add 1, 2, 3 zeros after it. So 90 times 400 is 36,000. Okay, what about 200 times 300? Well, I'm going to do 2 times 3, which is 6, and then I need to add 4 zeros after it. So 200 times 300 is 60,000. Okay, so that's how we multiply numbers that are multiples of 10, 100, and 1,000 in a really quick, easy way. Thanks for watching.